everybody's favorite Corvette dealer, but I am not here to spend money like normal. I am actually here for once. I'm doing the opposite. I'm here to make money. We are selling the C8 Corvette. There is Beaver. And we're also dropping off bumpers for a truck he has on the lot here. But we are finally, it's been a long road, and I'm sure you guys are like, what the heck are you talking about? How have you not sold the car yet? I have a deal on the car, I think. But you know, I had to return the car to stock, had to take the twin turbos off, had to take the green paint off, had to do everything to this car. Everything. I did like a full makeover to get it ready to sell. And I think it's finally ready now, so I can sell it, get my money, and then we're using that money to buy another Lamborghini. But I feel like 10 cylinders just ain't enough. Lambo is going to be a V12, and I'm not gonna buy a Diablo or a Mercy, so that leaves an Aventador, the biggest of the bulls. That's what I've wanted for a very long time, and I feel like it's gonna be the perfect car for the channel. So as long as this goes well, we should have an Aventador shortly. And there is the giveaway C6. That giveaway is over. There she is up on the rack right over there, getting a full, full once over, make sure everything's good to go, full detail, all that good stuff. Babe. Oh, I'll see you, bud. Guess that's it. All right. Bye. Is that really where I stand here now?
You shut the door.
Is that where I stand? I show up, they shut the door.
Shut the door in your face.
Free delivery.
No, look at this delivery truck.
Look at this delivery. Now, if I show up like this,
did you tell everybody yet?
About what?
Today. This?
About the Raptor?
Yeah.
No. You're gonna drive to Cars and Coffee?
Maybe.
I'm into that.
Like, not the Cars and Coffee, but the toy drive.
Toy drive Sunday.
If it's not gone before that.
That's right, toy drive. I will put the info down below this time. I know I forgot. We talked about it, but I forgot, and I didn't put the info down below. I will this time. Yeah, this Sunday for a really good cause. Bring a toy, an unwrapped toy, non-perishable food item, help a family in need. It's a really awesome cause. We'll be there, we'll be hanging out, bring some Corvettes. Like 2,000. Now maybe with everything going on, there might not be 2,000, but
it's a good cause though.
It is a good cause. It's a good cause.
Drive by, like drop off?
Yeah, maybe you just drive by. Just lower the window and fling the toy out. Full speed Corvette, fling the toy, drive away. 22. Cans of food, fling them out. Lima beans coming through, 80-mile-an-hour lima bean can. So that is the old C8 there on the lift, getting all done up, ready to go. It does look really mean in black. It's a great looking car. C8 Spider in white, high wing, little trunk up there. These are sweet. I love, ground effects on it. You guys know Whitmore does it right. If you want one, talk to Beaver. I don't know how many people you got on the list, but he can try to find you a C8 still. The Spiders have the black, if you spec it that way, they have the black roof. Right. And that looks so freaking cool and exotic.
If you saw that car on the ground, it looks like a McLaren.
Yeah, it does.
It really does.
It looks like a McLaren or Lambo in all the right ways. Yeah. It's so freaking cool. A little bit sad about the C8, but we got bigger and better things coming. C8 Spider, Aventador. I'm really excited about that. Car coming. Super excited about the Aventador. I have missed that freaking Gallardo every day since we gave it away, and I need another Lambo in my life. Also, I didn't mean for the channel to become like Raptor content daily since I got the 2020. It just kind of worked out that way. I got that truck and then I jumped it and I wanted to do a build, and then this one, I wanted to give one away and this one came up. I want you to know, even though people are loving the Raptor content, which is epic, the last 2 Raptor videos I did have over 500,000 views in 3 or 4 days. That's awesome. But there is going to be other car content coming. I know you guys are dying to hear an update on the C7 ZR1. Be patient, I promise it will be worth it. I promise it. That car always lives up to the hype. It always does, and it won't be any different this time. And then also the Lamborghini stuff coming, which I will be searching for one now. All right, and we are back here in the garage, and I'm sorry it's been a couple of days since I uploaded, but I was kind of like, my whole system was out of whack because my garage was getting completely redone. As you can see, everything is outside. Yeah, not easy to move those 44-inch mud boggers, not easy. Maybe I'll stack them on camera and you guys can watch me struggle, because it's not fun. Not fun. It's fun for you guys to watch, but not fun for me because my spine is just getting older by the day. But these floors were done by the same company that did the floors for Evan Shanks. And I saw it on his channel, I saw it on his Instagram, and I was like, holy crap, the floors glow in the dark. That's super cool, but is it actually gonna look like that in person? I can't show you right now because it's too bright outside, obviously, but I posted on Instagram a picture from last night, and it looks insane. Like, these floors glow, and it looks so freaking crazy. And now it's a little bit more you know, a little bit more showy in here. Way different, and I think the cars are going to look absolutely epic in here, glowing. And yeah, I'll break out the GoPro tonight again and show you guys at night once it has to like soak up natural light, just like a watch or something, and then it glows. Like it freaking glows in the dark. How cool is that? I feel like the search for an Aventador took a very interesting turn this morning. This morning about 3 a.m. because that's what I do at 3 a.m. I look at cars online that I don't need. I may have found the one, boys. I may have found the one. Let me find it here and show you. Calabasas, can you see that? Calabasas Luxury Motors, 2014. In yellow, the color I want. And no, it's not TJ Hunt's car. I was actually thinking about buying that, but I wanted a little bit newer than a 2012. But it's not his car. It looks like it, but it's not. I'm not sure if he sold his yet or not by the time I filmed this, but 2014, 10,000 miles, clean Carfax, looks really good, beautiful car. Check that out. 278. Now that's a little bit higher than I wanted. I wanted to be in the 250 or under range, but you know, it might be worth the extra 25. If you're spending $250,000, honestly, like why nickel and dime over 25 if it's gonna get you a better car, right? That makes sense. So, you know, I'm thinking I might call him. I might call him after this. I might call him. Look at that. That is like my perfect ideal spec. Oh! If you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, but if you don't, and you're wondering where the 1963 Corvette is, well, it's over at Uncle Rich's. It's staying there for the week. Over at Uncle Rich's house. It's having a great time. It's got a Playmate over there, a C7. Hey! I was just talking about you. Well, no, I was telling him where the old Corvette is.
I forgot to tell you, I sold it on eBay. I'll give you the 20,000 cash I got for it.
That's understandable.
It looks so good in my garage, though. I don't want to.
I know. When you gonna get one?
I'm gonna tell you that. I would love to. I really would.
I told him
to come over and see your floor.
I said I had to beg and plead for you to take that car.
Yeah, it was tough. Yeah,
and he didn't want it at all. He didn't want to be anywhere near it. It's not done drying yet. Okay. Well, this part is. That's still wet.
That's cool the way they framed it.
You should see. You don't have Instagram.
No.
Hold on. Look at it. Hold on. Oh. Is that crazy? It's so freaking awesome.
You're gonna do psychedelic paint on
I
the
know, and everything glows.
I know.
It is wild.
That is wild.
You gonna come over here? We'll have a dance party.
That sounds like
Let's
this
go.
would be perfect. It really would. We could do a roller skate party.
Yeah,
we could roller skates and just do loops.
Bringing it right back. I didn't think it would look that good. I didn't think it would glow that much.
We knew it was going to glow.
But I didn't think it would be that much.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
I can't wait to see it. I think that's really going to be cool. But you get the cars in here too.
I know. How cool is the old Vet going to look glowing underneath?
I can't wait to see that. That's going to be awesome.
Yes. Honest thoughts.
Ooh.
Yellow.
Wow.
Aventador.
Yeah, an Aventador. I see it.
Oh.
Man, that's a whole step up over the, what did you have?
The Gallardo.
The Gallardo, yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, man, that's beautiful.
2014, 10,000 miles.
I knew you were thinking about it.
Oh, I'm gonna be making the phone call here in a little bit.
Forced you into an early spring cleanup.
What I need is to get rid of those 44s. Like, get them on the, because they are ridiculous. They're like, I think they're like 180 something pounds each.
I can't believe
it's ridiculous.
I can't believe you could pick them up and stack them.
Oh, I stack them. I'll stack them.
I know you're built.
Yeah, right. There was a time.
I could not do that in like a zillion years. I don't even know if when I was in my prime I could have done.
Yeah, you'd be fine. You'd be fine.
They're heavy. How long before you can bring the 63 back?
Like Friday.
Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Friday evening.
So it only gives me 2 more days on eBay to sell it?
Yeah, you better hurry up. Rich says the Aventador is a go. So now I have to do it. See if I can work out a deal. But now it's time to go pick up the other Raptor, the 2020 Raptor that is getting built right now. And that means we're gonna jump back in the Urbus. And of course, somebody started calling, my brother started calling me. I was getting ready for the call start and my phone starts ringing. Oh man, sounds so freaking good though. The Urus sounds, oh, there's a pig, there's a pig. Piggy, what are you doing, baby? Are you cold? I know, it's chilly out. It's chilly. Should we do it, babe? Vlogmas for the family channel. Should we do it?
I'm all about it. I mean, mean, I think it's a fun idea.
Vlogmas for the family channel. You guys want to see Vlogmas? Well, we'll see. Check out the family channel. Babe, thank you so much for the ride. I know you're busy. I know you're doing orders. Big thank you to Shane and PDW for their awesome... Oh, there it is! Oh my God. Check it out. Wow, it's actually massive. It is massive. Look at that. Oh, look at that front end. Woo, look at that baby all built up. Dang, it is big. It is really freaking big. Check it out. Holy crap. Oh man, on a 37 by 1350, big chungus, boys. Big chunk. Wow. Wow, it looks so freaking good. It is freaking massive. Look at that. Oh my God. If we had a front bumper on like the other one, which I will be getting, man, it's huge. It is huge. Look at that. It's got a great little stance to it. Oh my God. This is absolutely sick, guys. This is absolutely sick. Fuel Rebels, but which I had on my Duramax, loved them. I actually got them for another truck because I don't know, I love the style of these wheels and I think they look perfect on a truck. But this time I went with the gold, knowing that the truck was black, and I actually ordered these before I even got the truck. But I think they look really, really good on there. The gold and the black gives it a little color, you know, a little something different. Now, I don't know, I'm starting to see the vision. I don't know, you guys, everyone loves Turner's Raptor, but I'm telling you, this one might be cool. When I'm done with it, it might be cooler. It might be cooler. I love that stance. Wow. That is, oh, that's nasty. Performance Diesel Warehouse is a pretty awesome place. There's a cat running out there. Justin, that's bad luck. Do you see that cat out there? That's not good. That's not good, buddy. Engines all over the place. PDW, always freaking cool. But this time, today, got something a little bit special in here. Randy's Hummer H1 from Savage Garage. Shane is doing a full Duramax swap, LBZ Duramax swap on this truck. It's been an incredible process. I've seen it from like kind of the beginning when it first got, I think I drove it here. I remember now, I drove it here and I dropped it off. But yeah, it's freaking coming along. It's really cool. Look at that brand new intercooler on there. Oh man, it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be sweet. It really is. And it's a massive, massive truck. As you can see already, I mean, like, it's big. Slant bag H1, very cool. And to look for that to be back on the Savage Garage channel shortly. But it's gonna be freaking cool. And I think his plan is to tow his Koenigsegg with it, which is wild. Who tows a Koenigsegg? Well, number one, who tows a Koenigsegg at all? But who tows a Koenigsegg with an H1? Freaking absolutely sick. I am so excited about this Raptor, guys. I am so excited about it. Now let's see how it drives though. Will it, wow, Shane's got the seat all the way back here. Will it drive as good as it looks? It is super nice. Like, yes, I jumped it, but it's a 2020 Raptor with 6,717 miles on it. So it's time to decide. I got to figure out which Raptor am I keeping and which one am I giving away to one of you guys for Christmas, because I want that Aventador. And if the C8 sells, well, that's selling for 110. And if the Raptor giveaway does well, that should get me pretty close to actually getting the event. I want to buy the Aventador in cash. I don't want a payment, don't want to worry about financing. I want a cash deal. And with those two things, I'm close. Wow, it drives really nice. I mean, this is like the worst driveway ever, and it's really smooth. Oh yeah, I like it, man. These Raptors, I'm a believer, I have to say. I am a Raptor believer now. Here we go. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah, oh, like a dream, boys, like a dream. Look at this. Even with the lift kit and bigger wheels and tires, it's still quick, and that's actually very quick. And that's the cool thing about it being a Raptor. You know, it's already a fast, powerful truck. So when you put a heavier wheel and tire on it, it doesn't really take away that much performance like it would a normal pickup. It is freaking awesome. I am loving the way this truck drives. I'm trying to figure out which one drives better. This one's taller. I can tell you that's way taller. I can tell just from, you know, I've been driving that other one for a week now. And this one's, it's taller. I gotta get my seatbelt on. It's taller for sure. Look at that, straight down the road. Don't have to have my hands on the wheel. We're good. It's taller. Wow, it drives really nice though. That's something I would not want to compromise, would be the fun driving factor of the Raptor on the road by lifting it. And yeah, definitely didn't. Big bump coming up. Let's see how it takes it. Big bump. bigger one. Very good. And like that's a huge bump. You already know I knew exactly where it was. Yeah, this thing's freaking sweet. So which one do we keep and which one do we give away? What do you think?
Oh my God.
The truck that I jumped and everyone was like, oh, it's ruined, it's written off. Look at her now.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Now it's gonna be, it'll sit level once all those wheels and tires are out of the back once Troy comes to get them, but.
Those wheels look great.
Yeah, it's freaking sweet, isn't it? So now, babe, which one do you like better?
That one better.
That one, I like that one better too.
Sorry.
So we're giving away that one then. Sorry, Turner. Sorry, Turner, that's it.
I love to drive that one, like, period. That's what I love to do.
That one's
so
sweet.
Comfortable. It's just.
It's so beefy looking now, look at it.
I just love that one
So
better.
sick. Well, I guess that's it. There's your answer. That's it. The decision has been made. Turner, your Raptor is going. Giveaway is alive right now. InChainDesigns.com. Every $5 spent is an entry to win that truck. For one of you guys is gonna get that truck for Christmas. It's insane. Yeah, you can really see that truck is way bigger. Now, even with the driveway, this truck is higher up because my driveway goes down. And look at the height difference on the two of them. It's like not even close. Wow, that is freaking sweet. Well, I guess that's it then, guys. We are going to be giving away the 2017 Raptor. I think it's a 2017, and we'll be keeping the 2020 Raptor. That is sweet. I think the 2020 is a little bit more my style, you know, a little bit more aggressive on the offset, just a bit. Nothing crazy, but a little bit farther out. And I want to get that bumper on this truck. God, that will look so freaking sweet. Dang, they look good though, don't they, boys? They look freaking good. I'm so happy that the 2020 Raptor turned out as good as it did. Man, that's bad. You can't go wrong with either one, really. That's it then. If you want to win a really, really cool Raptor for Christmas, you know what to do. And the 2020 will stay on the channel. The build will continue. Hopefully you guys aren't tired of the Raptor content. I know it's out of control. I know I'm out of control now. I have two Raptors. They're both here on the channel. It's a little out of control. I'm out of control, but that one will be going by Christmas, and then we can continue the 2020. Well, I'll be building this now on the channel. But that truck is freaking cool. And yes, I will be taking it to Roush Creek before the toy drive this weekend. And I will have that info down below for you. Toy drive, great cause. Come out if you can. And I will have, I think I'll bring that one, I think. And the Urus, I'm sure, will be there. I want you guys to leave a comment below and tell me which Raptor do you like better. For me, I think they're both really different and really cool in their own way. But for me, and not just because like I built it and you know that one's a buddy of mine, like I really do like that one better. I like the black one a little bit better. For me, it's more my style. But I could see how maybe you'd like the gray one better as well. You know, a little bit smaller, but more capable off-road. Well, I don't know now, actually. I don't know. We'll find out, but I'm not sure. That one you can definitely jump better. There's no doubt about that. That one will jump better. But off-road, they should be about equal, really, off-road capability-wise. But I would like to know, which one do you guys prefer? Really about all I got for you. The next update is going to have the cars back in the garage, and keep an eye out on the gram for pictures of that. The Raptor giveaway is live, keeping that one, and my life is a mess. If you enjoyed this upload, give it a big old thumbs up. Take care, have a great night. We'll see you in the next one.